Hi guys! So naghahanap kami ngayon ng ingredients for our samgyeopsal. So, ayun, bumili lang kami ng basic ingredients ng samgye, which is lettuce, samjang, fish cake, beef, and pork.
Ito pa kami makita ko.
Ito yung inukibi, oh.
Ano yung sabi niya?
Oo, ito yung pinapanap niya sa atin.
Magkano?
70. Steak, sausage.
Mga meatball.
Hindi, kasi kung mag-sausage pa tayo.
Yung bilang tayo.
Oo. Wow, dumpling. Sarap ito.
Ito kahit ito. Dito tayo magkano?
Sesame oil. Kailangan ko. Tama ko to sa vlog. Ako.
Years later.
Ay, ito lang. Ilan po ba?
First 5 flavor po.
First time. Isang classic. Tapos, garlic parmesan. Ano yung sa'yo?
Soy garlic po, at saka Korean chili.
Apat. Magra-rice po sir.
Apo.
A few moments later.
So yun guys, nag-start na kami and ay naglagay na ako agad ng plastic, no? Kasi gutom na ako. And what I like about this place guys is very aesthetic siya. Very, sobrang ganda ng place. Like, may aircon, may pa-mirror, and ayan, may pa-LED sila for aesthetic vibes. Ayan, sobrang ganda dito guys and sobrang sulit, affordable, and ayan, sobrang sarap ng food guys, in fairness. So, hindi siya pure only wings. Meron siyang mga kasamang mga drumettes. Pero, ayun guys, okay lang siya sa akin kasi mahilig din naman ako sa mga drumstick chicken. And, ayun, meron silang 13, if I'm not mistaken, na flavor. So, ayun, super daming pagpipilian for only 299 guys.
May pagpulot chicken lang tayo, wala guys.
For sure.
Hey guys, good morning. So it's November 17 and it is my day today. So what I'm gonna do first before we go to the beach, since beach is our place to go where I supposed to celebrate my birthday, and yeah, this is my outfit because we're going to mall and we need to buy other side dish like cucumber and other side dish. And yeah, that's why pupunta muna kami ng mall. Ito yung mga damit guys na pinagpipilian kong suotin for my photoshoot. It's like tube siya. The color black na may slit here. And this is my swimsuit from Shein. And so this is the package arrived. So let's open this, and we have here this one, yung contacts ko. My contacts is from iShare. And this is the solution. And I also got this. Madali ko siyang mailagay yung contacts. So I got all this. So ilalagay ko na lang yung mga prices nila sa description and yung link kung saan ko siya nabili. So ito yung contacts na pinili ko. Moonlight brown.
Hey guys, so we're here at Season Beach Resort. So, ayan, na-prepare na namin yung mga dapat namin i-prepare. So, later, I'm going to cook tteokbokki and meron ako nabiling instant tteokbokki sauce.
No, 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 no.
Finally guys, natapusin kami magluto and sobrang gutom na kami. It's already past 12 na. So, ayun, natapos naman lahat ng mga side dish and all that. And ngayon, kakain na kami. So, ayan, lafangan na kami dyan. So after we ate, let me tour you around this resort. So this is the view from our cottage. So we have here these spacious cottages. Ayan, and merong hotel. So papunta kami ngayon sa basketball court. And ayan, sobrang luwang guys, as you can see. Puro cottage. Ay, meron ding secret garden dyan. Tapos, ayan, puro mga cottage. And they have playground here for the kids. And, yeah, this is the basketball court and the accommodations to those who want to stay overnight.
Video ako ha, habang nag-basketball tayo. Okay lang?
mag-basketball. Siso tayo! Siso tayo! Nakapagod na ng basketball. So yun guys, pabalik na kami sa cottage namin and magpapahinga na kami. And as you can see, tirik na tirik yung araw. Ayan, sobrang init. Pili ka nga ng glitters. Pili ka glitters. Glitters nga, diba? May mga ganyan, o may mga shimmer-shimmer at mga glitters.
Blink.
Blink. Gitna o lahat? Tingin mo? Hindi pa pinapapili nga ko. Ito hindi ko nga alam. Lahat. Muna ba? Sabi niya yan eh. Hey guys, so this is the final look. So I'm wearing this rose gold satin dress and we're here at the secret garden na pinakita ko kanina. So ayan yung props ko guys. It's time for the photo shoot. Di ba meron pa magandang spot where I can take pictures with this dress? Mag-change na ako. Ay, hindi. Try natin sa dagat. Maganda rin sa dagat tong outfit. Oh, sunset na rin pala. I'm gonna go to the beach. So we're gonna take pictures now for my photo shoot. So this is the last outfit that I'm going to wear in my photo shoot. So yeah, this is the basic black tube with the slit. So yun guys, kakatapos ko mag-photoshoot. So yeah, I'm gonna change my outfit na para makaligo na rin kami later. Oh, ang lamig. Hi guys! Yun na yun. Tara, picture na!
Ay, video pa natin.
Tap ka na video?
Picture na, B!
Hey guys, so I got home and ayun, sobrang pagod and kakatapos lang din namin mag-dinner with my family. Hindi ko na na-video guys yung kaganapan dito sa house. After namin umuwi, meron din kaming dinner with family and hindi na rin ako nakapag-video guys kasi lobat na rin ako and kumain na lang din kami. So, I just spend time with my family. So, ayun. Thank you so much guys for everything. Thank you sa mga pumunta and sobrang memorable ng araw na to for me kasi ayun, kasama ko yung friends ko, kasama ko yung loved ones, kasama ko yung family. So ayun, I'm so much thankful for you guys and also sobrang thank you sa boyfriend ko kasi sobrang yung effort niya and all, sobrang thank you. Thank you sa lahat guys for all your greetings and your effort. Mga tumulong sa akin na mag-prepare ng foods and all that. Thank you so much. So, ayun, kasi nakasama ko kayo sa birthday ko. So, yeah, hindi ko nakasama yung family ko sa birthday ko guys. Kasi, nagpa-opera yung lola ko sa eyes niya and kami na lang ng mga friends ko yung nag-beach. So, ayun, we had a lot of fun and nakakapagod tong araw na to. So, ayun guys, thank you so much. And, yes guys, I am 21 years old na ngayon. So, ayun, siguro 8 ko na rin ma-upload tong video na to. So, ayun guys, hope you like this video. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. So, thank you guys so much.
It's my birthday!
Thank you for that.